So for NGCP, ang preparation natin this upcoming summer is a regular thing to NGCP. So we always prepare na ine-ensure namin na yung available resources natin or yung ating generation supply ay ma-optimize or ma-exhaust natin during summer period, during the time na mataas yung ating system demand. So we could only use kung ano man yung available, but it is our responsibility to ensure that all those available resources are exhausted or nagagamit optimally para maging cost efficient ang ating operations. Then when it comes to election period, so we've been coordinating with government agencies and other stakeholders. So we were part of the task force for election. So we regularly conduct meeting with the DOE, with the ERC to provide them updates sa status ng facilities ni NGCP. But from our end, ang responsibility namin for the upcoming election is to ensure na yung aming transmission line and equipment or yung any transmission facilities maintained by NGCP are properly maintained.
Pero sir, halimbawa magkaroon ng service interruption, ano po yung mga contingency plan natin? Or sa inyo po ba yan or hindi nyo nasasakop?
Well, for service interruption, if the service interruption is due to the line or equipment outage by of equipment owned and maintained by NGCP, we already have our quick response team or yung mga personnel namin na naka-deploy sa field to facilitate immediate restoration.